Hello everyone. In this video we are gonna be answering a question that we receive in our YouTube channel. As we spoke before, we encourage you to ask us questions when there is something that you don't understand or just something in particular that you're interested in Forex. So in today's video we're gonna be answering the question about the areas or those like we like to call it zones. So this person has a question and he says, my question is how you draw those those areas and what is the most reliable time frame for them. So this is what we're gonna be explaining in this video. And if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to our channel. This way you help us, and this way, when we upload a new video, you can see it. And then if you have any questions about Forex, you can ask and we'll try to answer everyone with the video. If not, at least you try to send a message back. So that's about the questions. Now let's start with the areas of, you can call it areas or support and resistance levels, however you like to call it. And now I'm gonna draw the first area, and you see that it's actually pretty easy to recognize them once you see how it works. You can see we're on the Aussie USA dollar on a 1 hour chart, but let me now start here with the first area. Okay, so here it is. So basically what we have here, we have a bottom, so the price is going down. Then this is pretty much like a bottom that the price is making, then goes back up, then breaks through the level that we draw, and now the price is rejecting the level where I'm actually gonna draw with trend lines what we expect to see here. So we expect the price to make a retest with the area that we draw and then continue going down. Okay, here it is. I'm drawing those with the purple trend lines. This is basically what we are projecting, what we expect. Now let me draw the other area. Let me grab the rectangle. Okay, so I'm grabbing the previous bottoms. So we have one bottom here, we have another one, and then the one that we currently have. And actually we expect the price here to go up and retest the previous area. So here this is a riskier trade, but we are gonna open a position here. Don't mind our stop loss, guys. We're gonna move that later on, but yeah, we open this position and let's see what the price will do, and let's see if we are right. Okay, few hours later, as you can see, the price is moving upwards, and it's near this area that we draw the first one. Now we're gonna go ahead and close this position, because from there on we expect the retest and the price to continue going down. We'll see if it's gonna break this level that had trouble the first time. So from there on we'll see how the price reacts. Let me do what I'm gonna draw another thing that we expect. So we expect the price after break through, if it actually break through this level that we draw the second one, to go down, then make a retest. That's why I'm gonna change the color to red, guys. Then retest the second area that we draw, and then from there on to keep going down. So this is basically what we expect. The purple one is the first case scenario, which is pretty much so far it's already moving the way we thought that it will. A couple hours later, guys, you can see that the projection we have with the purple trend lines, it's actually already happened. So I'm gonna delete those trend lines. The price broke through the second area that we draw, and now what we expect here is the price to move back up to this second area of resistance in our case, and from there on the price will continue going down. Of course we have to wait and see, but just keep in mind, when we have the price doing that kind of movements, basically like a ladder, the power of the trend is getting stronger and stronger with every movement. So just bear that in mind. So it is less likely for in this case scenario the price to reverse. I'm forwarding the video, guys, for you, of course, because every single candle is 1 hour. So like you can see, the price retested our second area, and that's why we enter a trade. We enter after this big bearish candle. After the retest of the second area, we have the engulfing candle, and that's why we open another trade. What we usually do is we go for 80% of the movement. So basically after the retest, we're gonna keep the position maybe up to here, somewhere around 80% of the previous bottom. That's what we typically do, guys. There's always exceptions. Sometimes we may keep it longer if we see that the power of the trend is really strong, and it looks like the price will keep going down. And that's why we suggest, if you decide to do something like this, always set your stop loss on profit. So this case, you're not gonna turn your winner into a loser, but you can see pretty much how those zones work. You always have to look for the tops and the bottoms, and that's how you draw them. I'm forwarding again the video, guys, and in this case you see we kept our position open. We're actually still open, but I think that's gonna be it for us, so I'm gonna go ahead and close the position. And actually here there is another level that we could have actually entered right here. Let me draw this for you. Okay, so here it is. So you see the price broke this area. You see we have two bottoms. The price tried to go back up. It couldn't go up, and then break again this area, make the retest, and now it's keep going down. So that was another opportunity for for us to enter. Unfortunately we didn't enter a trade here, but it's okay, because you're not gonna be able to enter every single opportunity on the market, and that's okay, guys, so don't worry about that. But this is pretty much it, the basics of the areas or the levels, however you like to call it. You see the first one that we draw, and by the way, when we open the long position, there is something important. So after the second area that we draw, there was no opportunity to go long, and the reason for that is because we didn't really have anything that tells us that this is actually a bottom. The first trade we open is because we already had two bottoms before that, before the third one that was forming. So that's why we took a long trade right here. But then the rest of the trades, so we were looking only to short the market. So bear that in mind, that those levels that have more rejections of this area, they're more reliable. So when you see like here 1, 2, 3 bottoms, that means that the price may reject this level and may reverse on the upside. When it's just one, it still can do that, but we don't know that. It's not as reliable as if if it reached this particular area a couple times. So this is really important. Now you can see the price is basically make another break, and now we can draw another zone. But this is gonna be it for for this video, guys. I don't want to make this video way too long, and just you know, ask your questions. If you have more questions, go ahead, comment on the section below. I really hope we answer the question correctly for the guy that asked us. And we're looking forward for your questions, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and like the video. We really appreciate it. And that's it for now. Bye bye.